Morning meditation can be a powerful way to start your day. Take a few slow and deep breaths, sit still with your eyes closed, and focus on your breath to help you relax. You can also take a few moments to practice gratitude. Think of what you are thankful for and why. Visualize positive outcomes for the day ahead and set your intention, then repeat a positive affirmation or mantra slowly, to help you stay focused on your goals. Finally, take a few more deep breaths and open your eyes slowly. With these few moments of practice, you can feel relaxed and energized for the day ahead. Start each morning with a few minutes of meditation and you will soon notice the difference in your mood, energy level, and sense of clarity. Gradually increase the length of meditation if you wish. Practicing meditation in the morning can help you become more mindful, cultivate inner peace, and stay connected to your true self. With regular practice, you can quiet the mind and find inner balance, harmony, and happiness. Remember that meditation is a practice. Some days it will be easier and more enjoyable than others. Stick with it and stay focused, and you will soon recognize the benefits of starting your day with a daily morning meditation. Dedicate a few minutes each day, practice with consistency, and you will soon cultivate a greater sense of clarity, inner peace, and joy. Don't forget that the rewards of morning meditation don't end when you open your eyes. They will extend throughout your day, helping you stay focused, productive, and better able to handle any challenges that come your way. So make it a part of your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of a mindful morning. In addition to your morning meditation, you can practice other calming activities such as yoga or stretching, writing in a gratitude journal, or listening to relaxing music. All of these approaches can help you create a sense of balance, peace, and harmony. So take a few moments each morning to recharge and refresh your body, mind, and spirit, and you will be ready to take on the day. Finally, make sure to give yourself some time each day to just relax and unwind. Do something that nourishes your soul and makes you happy. Whether it's going for a walk in nature, reading a book, listening to music, or just taking a nap, whatever it is that helps you reconnect with your inner peace and balance. Regular self-care is essential for feeling happy, healthy, and balanced. So make sure to take care of yourself and enjoy the journey. Remember that you are the master of your own destiny. Start each day with meditation and mindfulness to create a sense of clarity and calm. Stay focused on your goals, and take care of your mind, body, and spirit. Make wise decisions and never give up on yourself. With consistency and dedication, you can make your dreams reality. Lastly, don't forget to give yourself grace. You are allowed to make mistakes and move forward. You are human after all. Pause for a moment to be kind to yourself, focus on what you have done well, and practice self-compassion. No one is perfect, but you can always strive to become the best version of yourself. With enough dedication and belief in yourself, you will soon reach your goals. So today, make a commitment to yourself to practice regular meditation and mindfulness, and enjoy the journey. Believe in yourself and make wise decisions. May today bring you peace, joy, and clarity as you take on the challenges of the day. If you find yourself struggling to stick to your daily morning meditation routine, take a moment to remind yourself why you started in the first place. A few minutes of meditation and mindfulness can bring a vast array of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. So take a few moments each morning to reconnect with your inner peace, recharge your energy, and focus on your goals. With consistency and dedication, you will soon reap the rewards of a mindful morning.